I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get in. All right, you guys, I'm back again with another product review, and I hope everybody's having a nice week. Today we are reviewing the EPSON ECOTANK 2760. So let's get into it and see what's in the box. Oh, actually, this is an unboxing. Not a review, it's just an unboxing. Watch for the review. And as you guys know, I got my handy dandy best grandpa knife. Mess with me, you know what happens. So let's get into it. Unboxing of the ECOTANK ET-2760. This printer is state of the art, one of the best printers you can have. Ink lasts almost a year on normal use. If you use it real heavy, only 2 inks, you're going to save a lot of money with this printer. 7,500 pages on one set of ink, 16,000 pages. Let's go, 6,000 pages. Let's open this baby up. I got this for a good deal, you guys. And this does cost a little bit more than your normal printer, but like you said, you're going to save that in ink, way over the cost of an inkjet or a cartridge printer. Let's open up the box and see what we got in there. This is it's packed real nice. Oh, this is a little big, you guys. As you know, we also have the instruction manual in here. As you know, we never read that. And this is pretty big, so what I'm going to do, you guys, let me see. Oh, okay, this comes in 2 layers. So first we take these 2 pieces of foam out. And then what we're going to do, we're going to grab this big boy. Woo! We're going to sit this right here. Make sure you guys can see it. Here's the actual printer right here. Let's open this baby up. We're going to go right to the main event. I'm not going to even play around with it. It's wrapped in plastic. Has a little label on here. Shows you how to put the ink cartridge in there. Here's the power button. And we got all the colors right here in the box. Let's set this up for you. Oh, they got this packaged up too. Yep, here's the ink level. Oh, magenta. That's the color. Here's all the ink levels right there. Let me get the next ones out. And I think the power button. Here's the black. Oh, here's the power cord. What else we got? We got one more in here. And I think that's all that we have in the box. So here's the 3 colors that are on here. We have yellow, magenta, and we have the cyan. And also black right there. So those are your 3 colors that you have in it. Got a little label here. Let's take that off. Here's all your settings right here. The home button, the power button, your standard buttons that'll come on the printer. Let's get these out. We're going to put these on the side. Let's take all the tape off of here. I might do fast forward montage on this. I need the time.
You got one more right there. Be careful, baby.
Alright, you guys, I've got all of the tape off of it. I'm going to leave that piece of paper on there for now. That's just a little cover. But as you can see, you lift this up and you have the bed. You guys, here's a close-up look at the printer right here. Very nice, very nice. Not too big. You open this up, there's your flat bed right there for you to put all your papers on the flatbed printer. Let's give you guys an inside look at the actual printer. You just hold it from the side here, and there's the inside look of your printer there. There's where you put your ink levels right here. So you see, you lift that up, Here's your printer here. You just flip these out, and then you use these bottles that are pre-made, and then you fill the ink wells up, and you'll actually see the ink fill it up in the wells there. It's all good. This is nice and clean, brand spanking new. Power button right here goes back to the regular power file. It has Wi-Fi in it, and it has a printer. It has a USB slot on the side. So these are all the items that come with your printer. This ink right here will last you a year, up to a year with normal printing. If you do heavy printing, you only probably use 2. So this is the unboxing right here of the EcoTank printer. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Alright, you guys, we power this baby up. This is where you put all your paper right here. It comes out and then it feeds through front feed level. So let's hit the power button and fire this baby up. There's the power button right there. As you can see, it has a little screen here. There's your screen. So you got to go through the initial setup. So you'll go through this. It's like touch screen. So right now it's on English. So you hit OK for English. Right there, just use your up and down arrows just like any standard printer. And it's real quiet too. I barely hear that it's on. So now it's processing, and then what you want to do too, after you get everything set up, you hook it up to your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi at your home, and then you'll be all set. All right, you guys, let's put ink in it, and we're going to show you how the ink levels fill up here. We're going to start with the black, and we'll show you how it fills up there. So first thing we want to do is take the cap off. The blue cap off of the black side.
I think this comes off.
There we go. Pop that up, and now we're just gonna line it up with the holes there. And this has a mechanism, is it that? And then just push down from it. Push down. And there we go. It has a mechanism in it so where when it hits the little latch inside, it fills up, and as you can see, there's the black filling up there. And this will automatically stop when it gets full. So it makes for a real clean ink experience. So you don't have to worry about getting ink on your hands, and then you just take it back off and put the top on, and you're all set. See how it's filling up? Listen. As you can see, the levels right there going up. Nice, nice. Let me try to zoom in. Yeah. So as you'll see, this will stop automatically when this is finished. Let's listen. Then next after this, we're going to do the yellow, the magenta, and then the cyan. Here we go. It should stop automatically. Let's listen. And as you can see, it just stopped. So now we're going to take that out real fast. Up. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yeah. Up and out. And then we just put that on. As my lovely wife can show you the bottle. See, we just put the top on there. Nice, clean up. As you can see, no spills, nothing. And then we just close that up and latch it down. Boom, and we all set. Now we're going to do the same thing for the remainder ones. And that's basically how you fill it up. Real easy, real affordable, and real convenient. So you guys definitely want to get this printer, the EcoTank. They have a full line of printers. There's the yellow going in there. As you can see, it's filling up too. Same way. These printers are very, very, very cost conscious. It's eco-friendly for the environment, so you definitely want to make sure you get it. This one is the ET-2760. You know, I will have a link below, so make sure you guys click on that link and get a little discount on the ET-2760. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you appreciate this unboxing. We might come back with you with a review. See you guys on the next one.